In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to do transparent glass effect in Photoshop. Go to the Photoshop menu bar file option, then choose place embedded. And zoom out image. Go to the Photoshop select option, then choose subject. Again, go to the undo option, then choose layer. Ctrl T, free transform. And layer copy 4 times. Normal to multiply. Again, normal to multiply. And keep opacity 15. One more, normal to luminosity. And keep opacity 15. Again, normal to soft light. And keep opacity 50. Double click on layer. Follow the setting. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next video.